We bought this Matsuura MX520 in 2017. We bought it to undertake a specific job. It's done that job very well indeed, but beyond that job, it's let us machine all sorts of components from different sizes. One of the wonderful things about the MX520 is that it can machine from a surprisingly large billet down to any size you want to undertake at all. I think it's highlighted in the one workpiece that we've got on the machine at the moment, down to anything that you wish to undertake. It's very accurate, very fast. We bought the MAM very recently because it became obvious that you need to have a multi-table machine, so a multi-pallet machine I should say, so we can run lights out for much longer and we can offer far greater capacity to our customers. The MAM is a different beast. It's faster, it's even more precise, and we're able to offer so much more saving in being able to run into the night time. So quite stark sort of discovery, if you like, or visual representation was when we were utilising the RIM system for monitoring the loading of that particular machine tool, and be able to compare the run times versus a single table machine. It's an eye-opener of where the future lies in subcon machining.